guys, it's Vicky and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be making a super cute Christmas tree keychain that I designed just for you. For the supplies, you're going to need about 56 total beads, 34 green beads for the tree leaves, 11 gold beads for the ornament, 2 black beads for the stump, 8 red beads for the tree skirt, and I am also going to be using 1 accent bead for the tree topper. For my string, I'm going to be using this skinny ribbon, and I'm going to be using about 3 or 4 feet of it. To put my topper bead on, because the hole is so small, I'm going to be using this clear elastic. And then, also on top, I'm going to be putting this keychain. So to get started, let's cut ourselves a long piece of string. Next, we're going to add the very top of the tree, which is going to be just 1 bead, and we're going to slide it to the middle of the string. Then next, we're going to add 1 green bead and 1 gold bead. Then you'll switch to the other end of the string and place it through the gold bead and the green bead, going the opposite way, and pull it through. For the next row, we will be adding 1 gold and 2 green beads. And then switch to the other string and place it through those 3 beads, going the opposite way. And pull it through. Don't pull it too tightly or it will end up looking crimped. For the next row, we're gonna put 2 green, 1 gold, and then 1 green. Then switch to the other string and place it through all those beads, going the opposite way. For the next row, let's put 1 green and then 1 gold, then 2 green and 1 gold. And for this next row, it'll be 3 green, 1 gold, and 2 green. For the next row, let's do 2 green, then 1 gold, then 3 green, and 1 gold. For this row, it'll be 1 green, then 1 gold, then 2 green, and then 1 gold, followed by 3 green. For the next row, we're going to put on 6 green, 1 gold, then 2 green. Alright, that's it for the tree leaves. So next, you'll take 1 of your strings and place it through the bead that is right next to the bead it's coming out of. And pull that through. And also do this on the other side. So take your other string and place it through the bead right next to the one it's coming out of. Next, I'm going to add 2 red beads, then 1 black bead, and then 2 more red. And then switch to the other string and place it through all of those beads, going the opposite way. For the next row, we're going to place on 1 red, 1 black, and 1 red. Then the last row will just be 2 red. Now we'll just need to tie a knot at the end. Then I'm going to cut off the ends. Now I'm going to try to attach my topper and my keychain. So I'll need my topper, my keychain, and just a little piece of clear string. And I'm going to put this clear string through the top bead of my tree. And then hold the two ends of that clear string together and place them both through the topper bead. And so it will go right there. I'm going to take this jump ring off of the keychain. And I'm just going to tie this clear string tightly onto the keychain. And whenever I'm using this clear string, it's very slippery, so I'm going to tie it a few times and make sure I tug on the ends. It's really cute! So that is the finished Christmas tree keychain that I designed just for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit me up on my social medias if you want to show me what you've made. Comment below if you've got any questions or suggestions on my future tutorials. Leave me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe for more tutorials, and until next time, peace, love, unity, and respect.